In this video, we will go over how to log into Canvas for the first time, and we'll also go over how to locate the De Anza College Promise Canvas course page. Okay, so to log into Canvas, you want to visit our college's homepage at deanza.edu, and from there, at the very top of the page, you'll find a Canvas button, and this is where you want to click in order to log into our Canvas. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring you to a login page that looks like this. Now your campus-wide ID is an 8-digit number, your student ID number that should have been sent to you when you applied here to De Anza. And your password, if you're logging in for the first time, is your 8-digit date of birth. So that's 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the date, and 4 digits for the year. Once you log in with your campus-wide ID number and your date of birth as your password, you'll have an opportunity to reset your password, and that will be your login moving forward. Once you log in, then you will find our Canvas dashboard page. Now note that the recommended browser for the best course experience recommends that students use the newest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Edge. On the dashboard page, you'll be able to see any courses that you're currently registered for that has a Canvas course page tied to it. And today, I want to show you where you can find the De Anza College Promise course page. It's a page that looks like this. It says De Anza College Promise 2020-2021. Go ahead and click on that course page. And from here, you'll be able to see the De Anza College Promise homepage, which outlines how to stay in good standing with Promise, being enrolled in at least 12 units, having an up-to-date education plan on DegreeWorks, and having a financial aid application on file. You'll also find information on who your assigned counselor is for Promise. So looking here, if your last name begins with A through F, your counselor is Ashley. If it's G through M, it's Norma. If your last name is from M through R, then your counselor is Anna, and if your last name begins with S through Z, then your counselor is Chai. I also want to show you some resources we have on this page. Click on modules. You'll be able to see some of the pages that we have within this course. Benefits of Promise, frequently asked questions, access to our newsletters, and general education advising sheets. Okay, so if you have any questions at all on how to log into Canvas or how to locate the De Anza College Promise course page on Canvas, please feel free to email me. My name is Chai Seichow. My email address is seichowchai@fhda.edu. Thank you.